Hi, hello, this is Gaetan. Today we have cooking class ginger snap. Ginger snap, yes. This is a ginger snap. Why it's called ginger snap? It's snap. It's delicious. It's made of ginger and molasses, flour of course. And we're going to do the recipe in front of you with your kid for everything you need to do. So, this is an excellent cookie for the holiday. Alors aujourd'hui, on a le biscuit dur au gingembre. Quand on le brise, ça fait snap. En anglais, on appelle ça ginger snap. Alors, on a des ingrédients mouillés qu'on va mélanger ensemble. D'abord, il y a l'huile. So we mix oil, milk, nutmeg, baker soda, salt, and of course ginger. Then we mix everything together like that. Try to blend. Alors on mélange le tout et on va aller après ça chercher la molasse. So we have molasses. This is the great molasses, the great thick, very thick molasses, the one I was enjoying when I was a kid. Alors c'est de la mélasse. C'est une mélasse très épaisse. Et c'est la mélasse qu'on avait chez moi quand j'étais enfant. Alors, je mélange le tout. So, ici, I'm mixing oil, milk, and molasses. And you see how it's become, more liquid and more integrated. Then I will add the sugar. This is granulated sugar. And this is where it's becoming very interesting. So the goal here at this stage is to have the sugar absorb as much liquid as possible and be as less crystallized as possible. You're with me? Alors on a mis la mélasse, l'huile, le lait. On vient de mettre le sucre granulé, sucre blanc. J'utilise du sucre de canne granulé. Et puis ça fait partie de l'essence même de la recette. Alors, un bon mélange comme ça. Et on amène peu à peu la farine. Alors, c'est la farine tout usage. Et là, ne soyez pas surpris, ça va devenir une pâte très épaisse. So don't be surprised, it's going to be a very thick dough. Very, very thick dough. Because we're doing cookie here. We're not doing bread, we're not doing pizza, we're not doing chapati, we're doing cookie. Now the deal is to incorporate everything of that flour in there. And if you feel for it, don't be shy, take your hands and dig in. If you see at some point that dough is too dry, which is possible, and you can judge it if you cannot make a ball which is stick together. This is a little bit too dry. It's very simple. You can reach for some water and you add some water, very little water, like that. And you go back and you work the dough. The goal is to have a dough which will stick together, which will hold together, and from there we'll be able to make nice cookie. Are you with me? Alors, quand la pâte devient trop sablée et qu'elle ne se tient pas vraiment, on va ajouter un petit peu d'eau, une petite touche d'eau ici et là, juste pour que les ingrédients se marient bien. On va avoir un biscuit qui va être bien consistant, mais pas trop mouillé, mais pas trop sec non plus. Alors, on a besoin d'un peu plus d'eau. Vous voyez ici la différence, la pâte prend forme, elle se tient mieux, c'est un peu plus foncé. Ici, elle est un peu plus pâle, on va rajouter un petit peu d'eau dans ce coin-ci. Juste un petit peu comme ça. Et on va faire la pâte. Et puis, ça va aller pour le mieux. So you see, it need to be patient. This is a perfect exercise for family member. You bring the kid, they enjoy making cookie, they enjoy cooking the cookie, they enjoy putting the cookie on the sheet, and they are very, very happy with that. Now, everything is coming together as you see. I can use a surface here to finish the dough. You see it's coming nicely together. I can even roll it if I want. Look at that. This is pretty nice. So what I'm doing here, clean my finger, make sure everything is fine. See, it's coming nicely. One other thing you can do, you can use a roller pin and roll it nicely. And then a cookie cutter. You know, cooking is no religion. There's no wrong, right and wrong. So what I do here, I'm using a cookie cutter. I cut nice cookie like this. Let's see what we have here. Oh yeah. So we take this cookie, lovely cookie, we put that on the sheet. Alors on prend les biscuits, on les met sur le papier. En français, en français. Au Québec, on appelle ça le parchemin. En américain, ils appellent ça parchment. So we're using parchment paper, and we have cut our cookie like this. And guess what? We have a dozen cookie. This one is messed up a little bit. This one is not, and guess what? We have 13 cookie in the recipe again. So, yes, you don't throw away the leftover. You just do the same process, and you roll it, you cut it, and you have more cookie. So we have right now 13 cookie from the recipe we just used. And this recipe is fantastic. It's very easy to prepare. Children love doing that recipe. The cookie tastes very good. I'll put that in the oven at 350 for about 12 minutes, and we will be back. Alors, les biscuits sont prêts. On les met au four à 350 degrés Fahrenheit et on les fait cuire pour environ 12 minutes. Allez, on les met au four et on se revoit dans 12 minutes. Now it's 12 minutes. Let's see how we're doing. Here we are. Ginger cookie. Now I would like to share with you something. First, the smell, an unbelievable smell. Now they are soft. I can touch it like that, they are soft. Don't worry, it's absolutely normal. You don't have to worry about it. Alors, Ils viennent de sortir du four, sont encore mous. Ne vous inquiétez pas. Ils sont bien cuits en dessous. On va les faire refroidir. Et quand ils sont refroidis, ils sont craquants. So let the cookie cool. And when they are cooled, they are very cracky, very hard. They are well cooked. You see the bottom there? Nice golden color. So that means it's really, really well cooked. You know, it's still warm. It's 350 degrees there. Touch that with my finger. You know the expression, if you cannot stand the heat, get out of the kitchen. Alors voilà, on a nos biscuits au gingembre, snap ginger cookie. Alors ils sont encore mous, c'est normal. Ne vous inquiétez pas, ils vont durcir en refroidissant. Here you have it. This is a ginger cookie. Let me take a nice shot of this. Here you have it. This is a very nice ginger cookie. They came out of the oven, as you saw me, and they are still very soft at the surface, but as they cool down, they become stiffer and stiffer. So be patient. Wait about 20 to 30 minutes for them to cool down, and then you can enjoy these cookies. They are absolutely, absolutely delicious. Thank you for your interest. Thank you for your attention. Merci pour votre intérêt. Merci pour votre attention. Merci pour vous abonner. C'est une recette des fêtes. Les enfants adorent préparer ces biscuits-là. Alors, faites une petite réunion de famille. Invitez les enfants, les neveux, les nièces. On fait des biscuits. C'est délicieux. C'est facile. Il y a peu d'ingrédients. Et on ne peut pas se tromper. Alors, merci. À la bientôt. Bye bye. Thank you.